In front of me is Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. First of all, you need to hold your search bar and wait for remove pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it. Now, to confirm your choice, select Remove in this pop-up at the bottom. If you want to, you can also pinch your screen. Then hold your search bar and drag it to Remove section at the top right corner. Then let go and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!